Hello, I'm Kathy Green, and I'm a parishioner here at St. Nicholas. We've been here in the parish for 12 years, and the last 6, until about last August, I was the youth coordinator here for the parish. So last year, before Lent, I was researching for a Wednesday night youth group and came across a YouTube video by Father Mike Schmitz. He does them for Ascension Presents, and the title was Preparing for Lent. And in it, he talks about writing 40 notes to 40 people over the 40 days of Lent. And I thought it was something I would like to try, I could do, and wanted to give it a try. So in preparation before Lent started, I made a list. It wasn't exactly 40 at the time because 40 is a really big number, and mine was about 30. I started with my family, immediate family, parents, siblings, and expanded from there. And ended up with about 30, which was fine because as it turned out, throughout Lent, I would come across people it would trigger in my head, and I think, oh, I can write them a note. So in the end, it was 40. I'd have my list, I'd have note cards, the stamps, my address book, because I still use an address book, and the little black daily devotional for Lent that we get. So all of that was together on my kitchen table, and every day I would take about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe, and do the devotional, and then take that one person, the next person on my list, think about them, pray for them, appreciate the blessing that they are in my life, and then write them a little note. And it was nothing fancy. I am not a writer. I would tell them what I was doing, my Lenten project, and why I was sending them a note. Thank them for the blessing that they are in my life, for being there for me, what I appreciated about them. And then I would send it off and check them off my list. So I did that 40 times, not exactly 40 days. There were a couple of days I had to double up because life happens, but that's okay. And it was by far the best thing I have ever done as a Lenten project. It just made me appreciate the season. It made me appreciate the sacrifice that Jesus made for me, for all of us. And it just made me appreciate Easter in the end more. If you choose to do a project like this, I would suggest you save your list, because although I will do this again, it probably will be this year because I did not save my list, and I don't think I should creep people out by keep sending them the notes over and over. Save the list. Thank you for watching.